Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable share location with Bing on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to enable sharing your location with Bing on Skype can be useful for quickly and conveniently sharing your current location with your contacts. This feature can be particularly handy when meeting up with friends or colleagues, as it allows you to provide precise directions or let others know where you are in real time. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Skype app on your device. Well, after that tap on profile icon, and in this page look for settings and tap on it. Okay, so now select privacy menu and then look for share location with Bing. Then turn the toggle on like this. Click sure. So now share location with Bing on your Skype app is successfully enabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable share location with Bing on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.